Today we are on the Monastash Ridge Trail in Wenatchee National Forest. I'm Kelly from Muddy Beards 4x4, and today we're going to be talking about offline maps and the importance of trip planning. For me, before I go on a trip, I always go onto my onX app and I figure out the areas that we want to be in. I download one of the larger resolution maps that doesn't have a whole lot of detail, usually about 4 of the medium resolution maps that kind of square off the area that we want to be in, and then a couple of the 5-mile smaller ones that have more detailed maps for your trip. And the reason I do that is we have no cell service out here, so it's very important that I have a map, and the phone's GPS actually still works and shows where I am on the offline maps. So with the offline maps and my phone's built-in GPS, I can navigate my friends through the waypoints and the trails that I want to go to and had planned to before. And if something happens and we end up not being able to go a certain way, we can always check the map that we downloaded and change our plan and go into a different direction if need be to try and get where we're gonna go. So if you look at my map right here, you can see the blue dot is where I currently am right now. And you can see I've marked a couple of cool spots that we encountered on the trail just on my way here right now. I marked our camp spot and the two turns off the highway to make it to the campsite. So we are eventually trying to make our way to the Moon Rocks Funny Rocks, which is over here, these 3 spots over here, and then make our way back to our campsite. So if I had not planned ahead of time and downloaded these maps on the onX app on my phone, we would not know where we are on the trail currently. And this is just one of the ways that I use the onX Offroad app out here on the trail. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys here out on the trail.